I'm Chris Myers and I'm an ambassador for Love Gardening. My specialism is garden design and creation. I live here in the Yorkshire Dales and the work I do is very much influenced by this part of the world. We use a lot of dry stone walls in the gardens I build, and the planting I do is quite akin to what we would naturally see growing around here. But I actually live off grid, which means we have no mains power. We actually have to make our own power using the sun and the wind. Living the life we do has put me in touch with nature and the environment and has made me really conscious about how I live my life. I'll be posting regular videos looking at all aspects of garden design and creation, including some of the amazing projects I've done in the past, like the Canal and River Trust Garden at Gardeners World Live last year. The videos and blogs I'm going to be producing are all about helping you guys at home whilst you're doing your own gardens. If there's anything you need to know, please get in touch with our media team and we'll see how we can help you.